In all over the world, you can find our traces in the large space project sound system. We have been committed to create a good sound environment of public space. It is the public hearing and security protection. The airport's acoustics directly affects the clarity and comfort we feel when we are in a variety of environments. Our stadium, concert hall, church, conference room, classroom needs a clear sound space. Do not let these terrible acoustic conditions hinder our communication. It's time to pay attention to our public sound environment safety. It's time to start designing for our ears, giving back the real sound to you.